Hello everyone. In today's video, I will guide you on how to insert a link into a design on Canva. Here, I will look for a template related to a Facebook banner. I will use this template as an illustration. Please click to customize this template. This is a Facebook banner. This is the website I have set, but I want when others, my customers, click on this link, it will lead directly to my website. I will edit my website. Then, you can adjust it to align left, right, or center. And you will customize the font. I will make it bold. And I will change the font color to red or yellow. There are two ways for you to add a link to this path. First, you click on this website, then click on the More section and select Link. You enter your website name here, or the second way is to click here and press Ctrl K. Then, you can also input the link here. Then I click Publish, and that's it. I will share this design template with my client. Here, you should note, to select the access option, I choose public so that anyone with this link can access it. I click Copy Link, and now I will paste it into the browser to check if my link is working. So after I click on this link, it is publicly displayed here, meaning you have successfully embedded a link into the design on Canva. Thank you for watching the video.